Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery in an iPhone 5. So yeah, let's just get started by powering off the iPhone and unscrewing two pentalobe screws at the bottom. You always want to do that first. My screwdriver kind of sucks. And it's not the screw, it's the screwdriver that's the issue. So this will unscrew easily. And next, want to get a pry tool, get under the display to pry up. Open up the iPhone. Now that that's done, you can lift up the display. Next, you want to get a Phillips head screwdriver bit. Wait, camera's not focusing. Unscrew the two screws right here. And take that off, and it came up with the battery, so that's good. Now you want to remove the display. You don't have to, but you can if you want. Just makes things easier. I don't know where that came from, but whatever. Must have came from my iPad. Unscrew all the screws. Take off that panel. And yep, now that that's done, can get a spudger to disconnect those display connectors. There we go, the display is off. Now you can pry up the battery, take it out, and you can get your new battery and put it inside. Connecting it. Don't connect the battery yet, actually. Connect your display. There we go. Now we can put the bracket on. Make sure you line it. Get a screw. And that screw just fell off. So let me get this bottom panel on first. So no, not bottom panel, this bracket. Let's get that on. Get the screw in the hole. Screw it in. Great. Screws always fall out of my hand. And I just dropped my screwdriver. Great. I hate losing screws. So, yeah, this screw is lost. Let me try and look for it real quick. I found it. Okay, that's good. I got the screw. Screw it in. I found the wrong screw. This isn't the right one. Great. Give me a second. Okay, and that was kind of a second. I found the screw. And screw that in. Can plug in the battery. If I can. Just take this off so I can put it on more accurately. Okay. Put this bottom panel on. No, not bottom panel. Brackets. There we go. Now we can close up the iPhone, testing it. It does turn on. There we go. Now we can screw in the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom. Screw in the other screw. Cat is meowing at my door to get out, but I'm in the middle of filming a video, so touch works. There we go. So this is fully functional. This was an already fully functional iPhone, but yeah. So where did I get the sweater? So I can put this stuff back. So yeah. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Twitter at ufelix5. And also, Merry Christmas to all of you that celebrate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.